Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and here are our topic for today, which is multiplying fractions. In multiplying fractions, there are steps to follow. So number 1, we multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction. Step number 2, we multiply the denominator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. And then lastly, we simplify the results or our answers if needed. So here are the examples of multiplying fractions. So there are 6 examples that I prepare, and let us solve it throughout this video. So let's start with the first set of examples. So let us apply the steps on how to multiply fractions. So the first one, or the first set of examples, is a whole number multiplied to a fraction. So the first is we give the denominator for 5, which is equal to 1. And then the first step is that we multiply the numerator times the numerator, and then denominator times the denominator. So 5 times 2, that is equal to 10, all over 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. After which, we simplify our answer. So 10 over 5, or that is equal to 2. Next number 2. So 7 times 1 over 8. So we give the denominator of 7, which is 1. So, and then we multiply the numerator of the two fractions. So 7 times 1. And then the denominator also, which is 1 times 8. So 7 times 1, that is 7, all over 1 times 8, that is equal to 8. We cannot simplify this fraction because 7 over 8 is the simplest form of this fraction. So your answer, or your final answer, is 7 over 8. Next, 4 times 1 half. So we give the denominator of 4, which is equal to 1, and then we are ready now to solve the fraction. So 4 times 1, that is equal to 4, and then 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. And then simplifying our answer, we have 4 divided by 2, or that is equal to 2. So let's have another set of examples in multiplying fractions. So this time, we disregard whether it is similar or dissimilar fraction. So number 4, we have 1/5 times 2/3. So we multiply the numerator of the two fraction. So 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. And then we multiply also the denominator of the two fraction. 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. So this is now the simplest form, or the simplest answer of this fraction. So 2 over 15. Next, number 5. So 1 over 7 times 5 over 9. So 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. Multiplied by 7 times 9, that is equal to 63. So 1 over 7 times 5 over 9 is equal to 5 over 63. This is also the simplest form of this fraction because we cannot simplify it further. Next, number 6, or the last example, we have 2/5 times 3 over 8. So we multiply both the numerator of the two fraction and also the denominator of that fraction. So 2 times 3, that is equal to 6, and then 5 times 4, that is equal to 8. So the answer is 6 over 40. We can simplify this by dividing 6 by 2 and then 40 by 2. So the answer is 3 over 20. This is now the simplest form of this fraction. So thank you, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next lesson.